Hey beauties, it's Riri, and today you guys are gonna help me pack my bag. I was in the process of packing, so I will show you what I have thus far. My brushes are already ready. This is the Allie Glines travel makeup bag. It is literally the best on the market, in my opinion. Very sturdy, holds a lot of stuff, cleans well. It's just, it's fantastic. I take my mirror as well, and like I said, I had already started. So, I always bring spoolies and stuff like that with me. Sorry if the light's too bright. I bring spoolies, Q-tips, things to, you know, pin my hair back. And then it has the two containers here. The brush case fits on top, and then I typically stick my palettes right back there. So with my brushes, I bring a puff, or I am bringing a puff with me this time. It's the Trigwell puff. I love this thing so much. And then I have my foundation brush, blush, powder, bronzer, and then I have enough eyeshadow brushes that I can do like 2 to 3 types of makeup looks, meaning like this time I think I'm gonna bring something neutrally, and then because basically all the clothing I'm bringing, it's blue. So, you know, if I have a blue leaning palette or do purple and blue, or if I do neutrals, I have enough brushes, but I don't feel like it's too much. And then I will show you what I already have in this little container here. This basically is like skincare and stuff in this one, perfumes, things like that. And then this one is smaller items, blushes, bronzers, highlight, you get the point. So I am bringing some makeup remover wipes. And then I have a couple of shampoo and conditioner little packages here. I have some of my Shiseido wipes. I love these things so much. These are my last ones. I'm so sad. And then I have a mini toner, a mini of my Tower 28 spray. I love this so much. And then I have a mini micellar water. And then I have an eye makeup remover, I have a body cream, I have some perfumes. I just put like a bunch of little tiny ones in here just because I never know what I'm going to want to wear. And then I have an exfoliator, I have a hand cream, I have my Unseen sunscreen, I have a body wash, I have a face wash, some more hair clips just in case. And then I have a bunch of these little tiny MAC Fix Pluses that I am trying to finish up. So this is more like skincare ish. And then my perfumes, and it might look a little crazy, but I basically kind of make myself a little section when we get to my son's house, and I sit on like the little table and do my makeup there, so it works. And then I've already pulled, I'm really trying to pan up some products, you guys, and I'm sorry if this is all over the place. I do apologize. I just realized I don't actually need this because, duh, I have the mini. So let me take that back out. I always take some eye drops with me. I do have horrible allergies and very dry eyes, so that is a must. The Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Vitamin CC Stick. Literally loving this so much. I've used it almost every single time I've done my makeup. It is fantastic. Definitely taking that. I am someone that loves to curl my lashes, so I take a lash curler. I'm going to be taking my favorite eye primer. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, especially if you have kind of more mature dry skin. I think this is a fantastic eye primer. And then with the foundations, both of these are almost empty. This is the KVD Good Apple in the shade Medium 033. It's actually getting kind of light, so I'm going to try to use this up as quickly as I possibly can. Same thing with the Huda Beauty Cheesecake Foundation Stick. I will show you here. You can see this is also almost gone. So I'm definitely going to work on getting both of these done. And then I think I'm also going to take this one because right now this color is beautiful on me and this lasts a long time on me. It is the Yensa Skin on Skin BB CC Foundation, and it is in the shade Medium Warm. I think that's good on foundation. 4 days. I think we're good. And then I always take a sponge. I always spray my complexion after like each makeup step and then press it out. So we definitely want to take a sponge. I am also working on panning my Charlotte Tilbury palette powder. This is also almost gone. Very exciting. So I'm definitely taking this. And then this is almost gone as well. It is the Too Faced Lip Injection. This is the Maximum Plump one. This is a holy grail for me. As you can see, this one's almost done, so I will take that. I'm going to take my favorite primer at the time right now. This is the Dermatology #1 primer. This was gifted. No sponsorship, no nothing like that. I don't have a code or anything. But as you can see, it's almost gone as well. I love that. I'm also, I think, because I'm either going to be doing like neutrally warm when I wear like the yellowy greeny things I have. I don't know. I think I'm gonna bring the Rare Beauty Lip Oil. This is in the shade, it's the Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Honesty. This is really nice. I have to say though, this dries my lips out. I'm still testing it. I've used it 3 times though, but all 3 times my lips were dry by the end of the day, and it didn't last very long. And then I think this would be a complimentary like lip liner, or I can just use the liner by itself and then use the lip injection, or I think I might grab it of the lip oil. This is the P. Louise Such a Flirt. Oops. Such a Flirt liner. So, okay. All this is going in. I feel like I need... What do I want to do for lips? If I'm going mostly navy or blues or neutrals, I feel like this is good if I go neutral, but it's a little warm if I'm going, obviously, navies. I wish you guys were here to help me. I think I'm gonna grab the little Givenchy Lip Maestro. This is in the shade 109. I think I'm gonna take that. And then honestly, I think I might just do a clear gloss or something, you guys. All right, yeah, I've decided. I'm gonna pull the NYX Butter Gloss. This is just in the clear. And I'm also going to pull my Clarity Cosmetics lip liner. This is in the shade Bourbon. I do have a code with Clarity Cosmetics. It's RERE10 for 10% off. And I'm going to pull the Nude Makeup Geek liner, just in case I do wear liner. Again, we'll be outdoors a lot, and I have sensitive eyes, so I'm not sure how much I'm going to wear the liner. And then again, because everything I'm bringing pretty much is blue, I'm going to bring the Juvia's Place blue liner. This is in the shade Roll. So we have all of this ready to go. And I think while I'm at my vanity, I'm going to go ahead and do brows. I put all of my brow products in this little container right here. I always take one of my Ultra Creamy Tarte, I always say Shart, Tarte Shape Tape Ultra Creamies. This is a concealer that I use solely basically for my brows. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that in there. And I think I'm going to get some more use out of the Kosas Brow Pop. I think I'm going to pull this. And my Milani Weekend Brow. That should be good. I don't know why I would need any more than that. And then I always take this little brush right here as well. That is just to clean up my brows. So I think we're good with brow, like, pencils. And then we'll come over here. I think I'm just going to take my NYX Thick It Stick It. This is in the shade Brunette. I will take that as well. And then mascara. I think I'm just going to take my Sky High, the primer, and the mascara, because this is almost done. I think I'm going to take the Fenty Hella Thick, maybe? Or do I want to take the Burberry Lashes? That one is really, really freaking difficult to get off, though. But it is bulletproof, and that may be what I need. Let's put this back. I think I'll take this. And even though the LYS is not my favorite, I think I want to get a little bit more use out of this as well. So I'm going to pull these. That is all like tools, Q-tips, applicators, and then all of my brow and mascara. What do we need? We need palettes, blush, and bronzer. Oh gosh. All right, we are at the first palette drawer. I think I'm going to take something very neutral, kind of more natural-ish, and then something with some blues in it, and then maybe something that has like multi or duochromes. I may take this, the Il Makiage Kathleen Lights palette. Let's look. Yes, I actually think this will be fine. If I want to do something very sparkly even, and then also still keeping things very natural and neutral. So I think I'll pull this. Warm toned. Oh, I might take the Ethereal palette. Let me make sure this has like a blue in it. Not that I necessarily have to match blue with blue, but you know, when in Rome. All right. Oh, yes. Okay, we are definitely pulling this. All right, so we have a neutral, we have something for shimmer. Now, do I have something that's heavily blue-based? Oh, I don't know, you guys. Let me think. That's neutral, that's more warm. That's definitely more warm. Oh, the Cinderella palette, maybe? I would like to get some more use out of that. Green leaning, purple leaning. Let me pull this for now. I'll just show you the back of it. It does have a couple of beautiful neutrals, purple and blue. I think that could be awesome. And, oh, maybe the Royal Europe palette from Nomad. Let's look at this one and determine. All right, yeah, I think I've decided. I think I'm definitely gonna take this one as well. And it has different shades of blues, also some neutrals. The purple and pinks could be really pretty. And of course those multi-chromes, whoo, baby. Okay, I think we're good on palettes. We have more blue leaning, neutral, and then a neutral, and then some shifty shades. Do I need 4 palettes for 4 days? Yes I do. I'm gonna take them all. Okay, now that we know that, let's walk over here. I have primers. Oh, I need, no, I don't need setting sprays. I have my minis. Okay. This is my blush drawer. Let me think. I feel like I want to try this Terra. This is actually newer to my collection. That may still be a little too warm and too rich for me right now. I think I might take this Double Dipper palette. That could be really beautiful. I think I'm gonna pull this. And maybe, I'm wondering if I should bring a palette, like a face palette. Let me look at this melt one and see. Okay, that one could also be very pretty. All right, I think I'm gonna pull these two, which means now I may not be able to fit everything in my makeup case, but that's all right, we'll figure it out. Excuse me, popcorn. All right, and then bronzers. I don't think I need to bring too many bronzers with me. I may bring, I've used all of these quite a bit recently. Oh, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take my Westman Atelier contour stick. And then let's do, oh yes, let's do this one. I've not used this in a long time. This is the Catrice Sungasm, and it is more luminous. Yes, okay, I'm pulling both of these. And then for highlight, I've used this a bunch recently, this a bunch, those a bunch. Let me think. What have I not used in a little while? Let me come over to here. I've used Flexitarian a ton. I think, oh yes. Let's pull this. Let's pull our ABH, the Emreezy highlight. Cult classic, and for a very good reason. It is insanely stunning. Very long lasting on the skin as well, for me anyway. And the Alamar one, I haven't really gotten a lot of use out of this one either. So I'd like to get some use out of this. They're actually kind of similar. I may test these both together through the weekend and see if they are doopity dupes. Okay, so we have everything. Blushes, bronzers, highlighters, brows, lip products. I don't know that I need 4 palettes, you guys. I think I'm gonna, let me look again. I feel like I definitely want to take this. I feel like that could be super impactful. And it is a weekend holiday if we want to do some cute looks. I think I'm going to put the Cinderella one back because basically those shades are in this. And then neutral, the ethereal palette in this. Yes, final answer. Okay, let me try to squeeze everything in my bag and then I'll show you what we're working with. All right, shockingly, I'm just gonna have to keep this out. I'll just stick it in my actual bag with my mirror. Shockingly, everything fits. So we have all of our brows, mascaras, tools, applicators, things like that. And then of course the palettes are right on top. We have all of our skincare, perfumes, and then this is all of those blushes and the bronzers and my foundations, all that kind of stuff. So that is my bag. That is everything that I am taking. Do you feel like that's too much for 4 days? Do you think that I planned okay? I don't feel like it's super excessive. Or is it? Y'all let me know. Comment down below. Also, you're going to see this after I get back, obviously, so I hope you guys had a fantastic holiday, a fantastic weekend. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.